Hello, children. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Please say excellent. Okay, today we are going to read a story together. Okay, a beautiful story written by Oliver Jeffers. Oliver Jeffers. And look, it's a beautiful book, beautiful picture of a tiny boy reaching to touch. And what is this? You know what this is. A star. Very good. And now let's see. What is the title of the story? The story is called How to Catch a Star. How to Catch a Star. Beautiful. Now, what color is the book? The book is blue. Blue because the sky is blue and the night the sky is dark blue. Beautiful. And the tiny boy is in a, we remember this word from the other story, you remember? Spaceship. Repeat. Spaceship. Good. How to catch a star. Let's begin. Beautiful. Look. Spaceship. And there is the star up in the sky. How to catch a star. Let's see. Once there was a boy. A boy. And the boy loved stars very much. Look, here is the boy. The boy is tiny boy. And the boy loved to look at the stars. Beautiful. In the night. And what else can you see? There is one, two, three, four, five trees. And how many stars can you see? Can you count the stars? How many? Seven. Seven stars. Okay, so once there was a boy, and the boy loved stars very much. Every night, every night, the boy watched the stars from his window. Look, it's a window, and the boy is watching. And in the distance, what the boy. You can see the boy in his window looking at the star. Beautiful. Every night, the boy watched the stars from his window and he wished he had one of his own. Would you like a star in your hand? The boy wanted a star. So he looked at the sky and dreamed of having a star. Let's see how the story continues. He dreamed how this star might be his friend. Beautiful. A star as a friend. And then they would play hide and go seek. Do you know this game? Hide and go seek is this. Where am I? Can you see me? Can you see me? Here I am. Hide. Hide. Here I am. Hide and go seek. Where are you? Where are you? I can't see you. Where are you? Seek. Hide and seek. Good. So, the boy, look at beautiful picture. The boy dreamed how this star might be his friend and they would play hide and go seek. Look at the star. Here's the star. Can you see? Beautiful. Now, they would take long walks together. They would walk. Where are they? Can you see where they are? Can you see this? Where are they? They are on the beach. And what is this? The sea. And remember from the song, the waves. And he's walking with a star. Take walks together. Now, let's see. The boy decided he would try to catch a star. He thought that getting up early in the morning would be the best idea, because then the star would be tired. From being up in the sky all night. Look, the boy decided he wanted to catch a star. So he thought that getting up early in the morning would be the best idea, because then the star would be tired from being up in the sky all night. So the next day he set out at sunrise, and what did he do? He could not see a star anywhere. Can you see a star? No star anywhere. What to do? He sat down and waited for a star to appear. Look. He waited and he waited and he waited. No star. Where is the star? Let's see how the story continues. He waited. He waited. And he waited. He ate lunch. What is he eating? A sandwich. And what is he drinking? Orange juice. Beautiful. So he waited and he waited and then ate lunch. Then he waited some more. And after dinner, he waited some more. Finally, just before the sun was about to go away, he saw a star. Look. In the sky, can you see? Here. He saw the star. And look, he's happy, smiling. Yay, the star. Beautiful. Now, one more, and then we stop for today, and the story continues tomorrow. Now, the boy, what did he do? He saw the star, but the star is all the way up there, far away in the sky. What to do? So, the boy tried to grab the star, jump up and grab it, but he could not jump high enough. He tried to grab it. No. He could not jump high enough. So, because he was smart, intelligent boy, very carefully, he climbed to the top of the tallest tree he could find. Look. Up, 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 up. But the star was still way out of reach. So, what to do? Next week, we will continue the story and find out how it ends. Okay? Goodbye. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye.